This is the Montegrappa Tulip for Team Fox fountain pen. It comes in a cardboard sleeve. It has the Team Fox for Parkinson's Research logo on the top with the Montegrappa logo on the sides. This cardboard sleeve slides off, and there's another box inside. It has the Team Fox for Parkinson's logo once again with the orange and the red colors. The Montegrappa logo is on the bottom or the side or front. Hinge style lid which lifts open with a gray fabric interior. The Montegrappa logo is on the underside of the box lid. And of course we have the Montegrappa Tulip for Team Fox fountain pen. This pen was designed by Timothy John. He also has Parkinson's disease, and the pen is specifically designed around the tulip, or the red tulip design, which is known for Parkinson's research. So the tulip is integrated into the clip design with a red cap, and it has the Montegrappa logo engraved right here in the front with a matching ring with the silver color of the center and an orange barrel on the pen. It is a cap, or threaded cap, so that cap will unscrew and can be posted on the pen. It is a cartridge converter style fountain pen, so the section will unscrew from the barrel of the pen. And included with the pen is an ink converter, Montegrappa converter for use with bottled inks. The pen comes with a stainless steel nib with the Montegrappa logo and the filigree pattern with a black feed. It is a cartridge converter style fountain pen, so underneath the false bottom of the box there'll be a couple ink cartridges to get you started there, and there's also some information about the Montegrappa Team Fox fountain pen, as well as the warranty and use and care guide. This is a great pen. It's a portion of all the proceeds on this pen go to research Parkinson's disease and to the Team Fox Foundation. So just a great cause. Great pen. Get your Montegrappa Tulip for Team Fox fountain pen at penchalet.com.